Maybe I should move my phone so nothing breaks.
I'll have my mouth ready.
Oh god, I'm so scared.
Hi guys, welcome to GT's Beauty Channel. I'm her cousin Belen. Hi guys, welcome to Christian's Beauty Channel. I'm her cousin Belen and she's gonna make me pretty because it's my birth month.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm doing a get ready with me with my cousin Belen for her birthday. So it's a get ready with me slash cousin edition slash birthday edition, since it is her birth month. Her birthday is in August.
Please make me pretty.
But we're starting the first weekend.
I need to get me a sugar daddy.
Last weekend of July.
Mama's trying to be rich. And
then I'm going to insert the clip where she says she has ADD so you guys understand what I'm dealing with. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Belen and I have ADD.
Alright, let's get into the video. So I've done her eyebrows and primed her lids off camera. So
it was a struggle.
So it was not. I forgot you had the microblading. So I just had to fix it.
Everybody should get microbladed eyebrows. And have your mom book it so it's cheaper.
Okay.
Mom's no shit.
I'm gonna go with the Morphe M506. I'm guessing. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm concussed. Don't let your kids watch. There's alcohol. This is the brush she's using.
The Morphe M506. I'm gonna pick up.
I'll have a subtitle at work.
I'm gonna pick up. Oh my god. Okay, I'm going in with the Morphe 350 Nature Gold Pile, and I'm gonna pick up this shade here.
Did you get these together?
So I'm gonna put this in her crease.
Oh, I like that word.
It's on your eye.
My butt crease.
This is gonna be such a long.
I've been waiting for that. Okay, but I'm not.
Yes, you are done. Belen, don't lick me. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this shade here. And I'm gonna put that on her outer corner and inner corner on her lid.
What if I blue punched you right now?
Don't hit me.
I'm sorry. It's so
I've been awake
so early. Mom! Be dead!
Wow, that's my ear.
Cover your ears.
Mama!
Ooh. Mom! What? You can't do that while she's filming. I don't think it makes a difference. Okay. Whoa, I can't hear. Theater. I once fell asleep in theater to Shrek 3. Exactly. I can't tell you I fell asleep right away.
Okay, I'm gonna go over top on her outer corner and inner corner with this shade here. That's
we have. I lost my train of thought.
I saw it happen.
Yikes.
Okay,
This is what happened when I took my meds too early.
because we're doing a halo look, I'm gonna go in
I'm an
with
angel.
this shimmer shade from the same palette and put that on the center of her lid.
So that when I hit the sun, I'm like Edward Cullen.
Okay, going back in with these two here.
Wait, but I can't see
These
anything
two?
that you're doing.
I'm gonna just watch the video.
I'm
gonna
blind,
go
so I can't
in
see me.
with the Morphe M441 and put that over her crease.
I want to sing 50 Cent Candy Shell.
Okay, no. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Matte liquid liner and apply that just on her lash line, a thin layer of it.
What do you mean go in? Do you have a grudge against me from our childhood that I don't know
Or
about?
when you smack my
Don't
head
even
against
start.
the wall,
We watched
you
that
ate
video.
my food,
No, can't, you guys.
and you tried to throw me off the couch.
I mean, I successfully did. We're fine. We watched these videos from our childhood, and turns out TT over here
Okay,
Is
stop
that-
calling TT.
is an instigator. Again, she
I did
instigated
not instigate
all the
anything.
events. She literally would like shove me, and I'd be like, "No, TT."
Mm. That is a lie. You were shoving me because you wanted mommy's gordita and you didn't like me anywhere near you.
I liked all my boy cousins. I think I wanted.
Which
I
is
just wanted
so
to be
weird because the
excessive.
older we got,
The more I liked you.
the more attached we became, even though we were not.
Turns
we
out
did
we were
not
kind
get
of the
along when
same.
we were younger.
That's usually how most friendships begin.
That's true. Jocelyn and I hated each other.
My top of my mouth is itchy.
Allergies, ladies and gentlemen. Allergies. Stop making that face.
I'm like itching with my tongue.
Oh, I know that. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna do your eyeliner. Let's try it. Close your eye.
Okay, wait, listen. Me, who clearly doesn't know the lyrics to Footloose. Footloose, pet goose, picked a fight with a moose, cheese, stick freeze, watch out there for 10 bees. What did I say?
Watch out there are 10
I think I was drunk. I'm turning pink.
It's not, it's the glass. They're for my bridal shower.
I think it's turning pink.
It's my glass.
Don't pour it out and show you.
No.
I'm
No.
joking.
Okay, I'm gonna go in with her foundation.
Well, you also do like the crease in my neck.
What crease?
The crease that I got from doing double chins too many times.
Is that what that's from?
I think so.
I mean, I don't even know what crease you're talking about, but
You can see it.
you can't see it. I don't know what you're talking about. Wait, let me give you a mirror so you can point it out. Do I have them here? I have them here.
I love that it's gonna be sped up. They're gonna be like, where did this crease?
Oh my god. Haven't you always had that?
I mean, I think I've been doing double chin since birth. www.maniplease.com. I'm so sorry. I really tried. I'm so thirsty. My dandruff's gonna fall off.
Why did you cough on me?
I didn't mean to. I was trying to tell you that I had to cough, but then it was like, you know when you like choke on air kind of? And like you have to cough at that moment.
Yes.
That was what happened. But I tried covering. But I shocked myself too.
Because you coughed on me?
Well, that I coughed.
Your daughter just coughed on me.
Do you know who I was freaking raised by her?
Okay, we're gonna go with the Tarte Creaseless Concealer.
I love Tarte.
Me too.
Or as my mother says, Tarte.
And then I'm gonna set it with RCMA No Color Powder because I'm not gonna have any time in between to tell you that because she's got a story to tell.
Oh,
Ready,
my traumatizing story. So, the reason I don't wear foundation, liquid foundation, is because in high school, it's like probably freshman year maybe. Mm-hmm. We're gonna put that up my nose that you really thought about it.
No.
This is what happens when I tell a story. It's 24 stories in one story.
That's very true.
I already got bored with my own story. So I put on my liquid foundation, right? And I'm like all confident.
This is in high school, you said?
Yeah, in Arizona, so it's like 130,000 degrees.
Your
And
nose triggers.
oh, I'm sorry. Was that fat joke? Just kidding.
Okay.
Now I'm like focused on my nose. So, I had nasal surgery, that's why. Oh, but my cheeks jiggle and I did not have cheek surgery. It's like, I'm sweating. I'm making myself nervous. So, in high school.
Look up.
You look up. Oh, I can't tell my story. I have to focus on my eyebrows.
Just your eyes, not your head.
My head moves a
Every
little.
time I tell you and your mom, look up, your mom always goes like this.
How high? So I hugged this person, and when I removed, oh sorry, I didn't even realize I did that. When I removed my face, I was like, oh look, there's my face on your shirt.
You made it so awkward.
And so I haven't worn liquid foundation since. I also don't know how to get my color.
We're gonna do
We have the same
blush, contour, and highlight. Blush, contour, and highlight. I feel like I had to repeat it because somebody was singing that we have the same saliva.
Saliva.
mascara and lipstick off camera.
Hey!
Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This get ready with me
and
cousin and birthday thing.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your notifications.
I'll see you guys in my next video.
I'll see you guys again soon too. But if you don't subscribe, you'll never see me again.
Okay, bye. Sound effects. By the Lenny Knows.
It was so good. I may look pretty. Doesn't mean my habits change.
Spanish music.
I couldn't because I know what you're gonna do right now.